Assalamu alaikum. My name is Alia Jahangi Kazi. I am in 4th standard. My school name is Haji Ghulam Muhammad Azam Semi-English Primary School. A very good morning to respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to give a short speech on importance of Teachers' Day and teacher in our life. Today is 5th of September and at this day we celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year with lots of joy and happiness, it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a statesman who was highly devoted towards education. Teacher is a friend and guide of our life who also imparts good values in us. Teachers take their best examples to turn the students into responsible citizens. Teacher is a lamp that lights